All right, this is lesson 13.1, number 7. And the first thing you should see is it says open-ended. Open-ended means there's no one right answer. As long as you meet the criteria for what the question is talking about, then you would get a correct answer. So let's see what it says. During the California gold rush of the 1800s, boom towns were established that eventually turned into ghost towns. Write a piecewise defined function that might model the population of one of these towns. All right, if you remember from last semester, a piecewise function just means two or more functions put together. It's like two pieces of different functions that you just put in brackets and call it a piecewise function. You define those by the domain. So when I'm thinking about the gold rush in the 1800s, I would start with the domain, and the domain should be your x values. So define a domain and then write a function for that represents what this could look like. And again, when it's open-ended, there's no one right answer. So everybody in the class may have a slightly different answer and probably will, but as long as it looks like it would work for a town turning into a ghost town. Think about what a ghost town means. If a town turns into a ghost town, that means there's nobody living there anymore, okay? So just think about what that is, and then you would write a function for that. So again, good luck. I hope this helps.